shape. C, based upon shape and all. First is called mechanical robot. Mechanical robots. They look like a machine and they are industrial robot. So all the industrial robot you might have seen, they look like a machine or arm. They don't have any kind of shape resembling to anything. And maximum robot in the world is like that only. We'll talk about it. Second is animal robot. Animal robot. So these are the robots which are made like an animal. Right? Like if you type AIBO, AIBO. AIBO is a world famous robot which look like a dog. Sony company, you know, Japan. It has been made by Sony company. And this robot is RoboDog. RoboDog. Now it's nothing but the toy. It's a toy, but toy has got some feature. This is a guide dog. It has got a visual sensors, camera. It can recognize the obstacle. It can help you cross the road. If the person is visually challenged, this dog can help the person to, walk around. Similarly, there is another one that is called Tama. Tama is RoboCat. It's a robotic cat. It has also got something, we'll talk about that. So there are animal robots. There is a robot called Cheetah. Cheetah. That has made by Boston Dynamics. We'll talk about that too. Fastest running robot. So this robot can run with a speed of 45 km per hour. The whole idea was Cheetah, that America or Boston Dynamics wanted to make a robot which can run faster than any human being. तो कहा कि सबसे फास्ट कौन दौड़ता है, तो उस समय यूसेन बोल्ट दौड़ रहा था, मतलब उससे भी फास्ट बनाओ, बना दिया. दिस रोबोट इज अ 4-footed रोबोट. देखोगे डर लग जाएगा, इतना खतरनाक है ये. The whole idea is that this robot can run on an uneven surface because it has got 4 foot. And if you put a machine gun on this robot, then it is going to be a killing machine in the warfield. So America has planned to use this robot into the warfield. सोच लो, तो डिफेंस में इस रोबोट को यूज कर ले तो कैसा रहेगा? It can chase down any human being क्योंकि it will run faster than any human being. Then third one is human-wired robot. Human-wired robot. The robot which look like human being. And there could be two, one android and gynoid. Android is a male-looking robot and gynoid is a robot which look like a female. This Sophia robot you might have. Sophia. So Sophia is what? She is gynoid robot. Although if you don't want to address gender, then you can simply say humanoid robot. But if you say Sophia is android robot, it will be wrong. है ना? तो कभी कभी टर्म्स इसलिए भी जानने हैं so that you don't do any unforced mistake. आपने लिखा मेंस के पेपर में सोफिया एंड्रॉयड रोबोट, फंडामेंटली इट्स रॉन्ग. इफ पर्सन इज नॉट नोइंग इट देन उसने कहा कि मैंने ठीक लिखा था, लेकिन आपकी कॉपी में लिखा है सोफिया एंड्रॉयड रोबोट, उस दूसरे की कॉपी में लिखा हुआ है सोफिया गाइनवाइड रोबोट. तो एग्जामिनर का तो काम है ना कि दोनों में कुछ तो डिफरेंस क्रिएट करेगा ना. I mean, the person who has written Sophia Gainwide robot, he has done more justice. दोनों को एक एक नंबर दे देंगे तो उसके साथ तो अनजस्टिस होगा. That is how many people will complain. They come to teachers and mentors कि sir, in this particular paper, I write all the answers in a very good way, but I never get mark. उसमें टीचर क्या कहता है, बोलता है फंडामेंटल रीडिंग करो अच्छे से. अब छोड़ दो ऊपर ऊपर का, यू आर एबल टू राइट. फंडामेंटली अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग करो, बिकॉज इट सिंपली मीन्स देयर आर अनफोर्स्ड एरर हैपनिंग. सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन में कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स आप डाल देते हो जो एक साथ जा ही नहीं सकते. If you don't know, then it is a mistake. For you, it's no mistake. But for examiner, it's a mistake. You know? That is why for every subject in UPSC, you need to create a vocabulary of it. Polity, economy, and everywhere. We create vocabulary so that we can express ourselves in a most authentic way. Right? In that way. Anyway. So this is about based on shape.